Wiped it. Oh, hey, everybody. Whoa, well, welcome to Dumb Investing. That fell over there, that's Harry.
That guy, that's Lloyd. He started the show 30 seconds early on me. I was in the middle of having a conversation, but it's about to get dumb up in here anyways.
Yes, it is. On tonight's show, what you can expect is a review of a portfolio that was purchased by rolling random dice, picking random stocks, and investing our hard-earned retirement money into randomly picked stocks. We will also run our random dice, pick some random stocks. We're going to review 3 tonight. We're going to pick one. We're going to go spend some money tomorrow and buy another stock. So without much ado, should we go right into the rolls?
Let's do this.
All right, let's roll some dice. All right. So we roll a random dice and it says click 5. We go to a random stock picker and we pick 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. AVA. So the first stock we're going to look at is AVA. We're going to go back. We're going to roll that dice again. And we're going to get a 3. Hot diggity. And a 1, 2, and a 3. PNC. Oh, I know that stock. All right. I like it when we get ones we actually know. Okay. And our last one is a 4. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. XSH. XSHQ. All right, so the smart guy in the group is Harry. Harry uses Webull. Webull is our trading platform, so he's going to do research on Webull. I'm going to go to the Yahoo here, and we're going to learn a little bit about these 3 stocks we just randomly picked, and we are going to determine which one we are going to put our hard-earned retirement money into. All right, so XH or XSHQ is the Invesco S&P Small Cap. And they've been around since, it looks, well, that's the 5 years. And they had a little dip in the COVID, and they came back with a vengeance, dude. They are damn near 70% higher post-COVID than they were pre. Whoa. I know.
Yeah, down to $18 and all the way back up to 37.15.
Crazy, eh?
Let's see what they do. The investment seeks to track the investment results of the S&P Small Cap 600 Quality Index. The fund generally will invest at least 90% of its total assets in securities that comprise the underlying index of the S&P. DJI weights each component stock and underlying index by the total of the quality score multiplied by its market capitalization, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, so it's just basically a S&P index fund, hey? The S&P's been doing phenomenal for basically since COVID times.
Rocket.
Yeah. So when does the S&P stop going up?
Exactly. All right, so let's put this one on the. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah,
what's going to happen
the answer
here.
to that question is probably when taper talks, when we're tapering, and also potentially interest rates move up, right?
Yes.
Maybe. We shall see.
All right, so our next one, PNC, is the PNC Financial Services Group. And they look also pretty phenomenal.
Yeah, nice little double there.
Yeah. Holy cow. So their latest quarter, they missed estimates. Estimates have been gradually increasing from $2.20 a share to $3.40 a share, and they were knocking that out of the park. Q3 2020, Q4 2020, Q1 2021, knocked them all out of the park. Q2 of 21, they missed. Yeah. So, very strange. Their revenue is ginormous. So, 17, 18, 19, they saw revenue of $16 billion. They saw earnings of nothing. Earnings of $5 billion on revenue of 15. Come on, what is that? They're making a third. That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
They do that
Kind
again.
of money, hey?
in 18 and 19. In 20, their revenue came down to only 13, but their earnings were $7 billion, 50%. What are these guys doing? I know.
How'd they pull that off?
I don't know, but there's a lot of people saying hold them, buy them, and strong buy them.
Yeah.
All right. I give this one a happy dumb for now. Whatever they're doing a really good job at it. All right, last one is AVA. The Avista Corporation.
Whoa.
Oh, these people are all over the map.
Yeah, they are.
Wow. So their dip didn't happen until October. So they were 6 months past COVID when their dip hit. Huh. So who are these people?
So Avista Corporation is an electric and natural gas utility company. The company operates through two segments, Avista Utilities and Avista Electric. The company's regional services include government and higher education, medical services, retail, trade, and finance. The company's business also includes sheet metal fabrication, venture fund investment, real estate investments, a company that explores markets that could be served with liquefied natural gas, as well as certain other investments of Avista Capital, which is a subsidiary of the company. Whoa.
Huh.
As of December 31st, 2016, they operated 5 hydroelectric generation facilities with 102.7 megawatts of hydroelectric generation capacity. So how do you feel about energy?
Well, most energy I feel so about, but these guys, revenue is declining. Recommendations are you don't want to own this. The recommendations are get rid of it. They've been downgraded. Yeah, I don't know about these guys, dude. I don't know what they're doing. Something wrong though.
Yep.
I don't know what it is.
42-cent per share dividend.
Well, it's not. I mean, it's 4%, right? That's not bad.
No.
I don't know though, dude. I don't know what they're doing or who their competitors are. And why would you be losing revenue for 4 years in a row, right? I mean, that is not a good sign.
Agreed. Okay.
All right. So which one are you feeling good about?
Definitely not EVA and less so on XSHQ. So I'm feeling best about PNC.
I will second that. I will go with PNC as well. So tomorrow we will execute hopefully a partial filling of $15 worth of PNC and throw it into the retirement fund.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. This will be fun. So I need to apologize before we go and look at the portfolio because you're going to notice the stocks didn't change unless some of my electronic cells fired off on someone like Bank of America. I did that last night before I fell asleep.
Bank of America, gone.
Did it go? Okay. Well, that's good because that means it went green. I forgot to put in a buy for last night's stock, so we didn't buy last night's stock. We will buy 2 tomorrow, though. I will have a little bit more time to myself.
No problem at all. Okay, let's go over here.
Let's check it out.
Do this thing. All right.
And is my internet working a little bit better?
It's working great at the moment.
Well, that's good. I don't think, but I mean, we only have 6 holdings now, but I don't think we've ever had a day where we are all green. All green! Woo!
Everything is green today. That's
awesome.
Fantastic. Good picking. Maybe we're getting better at this, or maybe it's just the market.
Yeah, it can't be the market.
Yeah, it must be
It's
us.
got to be us.
So at our lowest winner today, geez, I'm used to saying biggest loser, so
I know, but I like that.
our lowest winner today is what would you call them? The legacy, one of the legacy positions that we have here of the Falling Knives ETF. And then our second one the Falling Knives was up 0.98% today, so almost 1%. So that means we're only going up from here.
That's awesome.
BurgerFi, our next
Oh yeah,
best loser.
back to
No,
burgers.
lowest
Yeah,
winner.
second lowest winner.
Second lowest winner.
Okay.
BurgerFi up 2.22% today. And then some of the new stocks that we have here, we've got IDnomics at 4.57% today.
Oh wow.
And then get this, the Brazil Bull up 8.59%.
Sell it, sell it, sell it.
Look at that. So let's
Wow.
take a look over here.
Wow, did we ever pick? Dude, we are $61 away from break even. That is awesome.
Yeah. And we made $8 today, and we've only got $500 or something in the market, right?
Yes.
Well, no, we've got $351. Wait,
Well, what a day.
no, maybe it's this $256 in the market.
Okay, that sounds about right.
That's
If some
right,
of my
'cause we
electronic
sold-
cells went
Yeah,
off.
because we sold the Bank of America. So it looks like we've got unsettled cash here, $351.70. So that's probably the
So we
back
sold
sell.
we sold two things then. Two of them went off. That's awesome.
Let's see if we can find out if it's here.
Go to trade.
Trade? Where's trade?
On the sidebar. You're in account, right? If you go up to trade, I think it's the next one up right there. Isn't that it?
This one?
No, up from the view that you're on right now. Should have like a little hammer thing.
Go fish.
Oh, yours is totally set up different than mine. Mine has a trade button, and then you can see executed trades.
Here, I can see it here. Here we
Okay.
go. So today we sold Bank of America and CSW.
Okay. Cool.
Industrials. Yeah.
Cool.
So we got both of those filled. That's awesome.
Yeah. And those should have both, I think the way I set those up, they should have been, if they hit levels, then they would have been positive for us, so we didn't lock in a loss.
It looks like these were market orders. Looks like you did market orders.
Oh, did I? Ooh, that means they fired off first thing in the morning then. Oh, no.
Yeah, one at 10:01 and one at 10:03.
Huh. 10 o'clock.
Yeah, interesting. Weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. Don't knows about that. But pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Where is our positions here? That's the next one. All right. So overall positions we've got right at the top of the list, Ideanomics up 8.59%. Not bad for a holding we've had for what?
A week?
A week. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Brazil one is up 5.58%. Worry is up 5.03%. And then the only ones that we have hanging down at the bottom are the legacy stuff. We've got Kings and the Falling Knives, only down 3.75 and 4.43% respectively. So BurgerFi is only down 0.3% right at the moment.
Okay, so those top three, do we want to sell those tomorrow and lock in wins and have money so that we can keep shopping?
Well, let's see what they're doing after hours here, if we can. Nope, we cannot. They're not trading after hours.
Yeah. Because when we were originally talking about this, we were thinking if we get over 5, we can just start rotating. Now we have a lot of money in the bank, so we can wait if you want to. And then as our funds get real low, if we have to, we can start selling. We can
I
let
think we
these
should
ride.
buy a little bit more yet.
Okay.
Especially
I'm cool
with
with
the
that.
market's kind of feeling a little bit better now, and things are percolating a little bit.
So I didn't get to watch any of the market or listen to it because I had a visitor with me in the car, so we were conversing rather than listening to Bloomberg. So what's going on? Have they said Jackson Hole hasn't started yet, right?
no.
Okay.
Jackson Hole. I think I think it starts. I think it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Did I hear something about $3.5 billion something went through the House
The
and it's
infrastructure
now
deal
going
went
to
through.
the Senate?
Yeah, the infrastructure deal went through.
So they talk about how we're going to pay for that?
I don't think they can.
Or is that getting into politics?
I think they said something about, hey, JPOW, keep the money printer going so we can pay for it.
Oh, go buy some ink. Okay.
But generally, overall, the market it's been pretty happy over the last couple of days. It's been green for dumb investing, green personally. Hopefully, we're in the early stages of a nice little rally here. We can make up for all of those painful losses we had at the beginning of the year.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
But we'll see. It's kind of one day at a time. The market is still not clear on which direction it wants to go, as far as I know. I mean, people are buying electronic pet rocks right now. So
who is buying electronic pet rocks?
So one of the credit card folks out there,
Okay.
they did not buy a pet rock, but they bought an NFT of a picture of a kid with a mohawk.
For the life of me, I will never understand.
For $150,000.
Okay, so let's go to my screen share for a second. Boom. How rich am I?
Yeah. It was none of those kids. It was a cartoon.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah.
Oh, my Lord. I just don't get it.
So I'll do a little bit of research about the whole pet rock thing, but as far as I know, it has something to do with Ethereum and the creation of these rocks and holdings and all this kind of stuff. But I'll get a better explanation on what the deal is.
Oh, man. I'm glad you said that. What has Bitcoin done in the last couple of days?
So Bitcoin's over the last couple of days has been...
Yeah, I haven't seen...
It was down today. I think it was about 47, 48 today. And Ethereum, I think, was about 3,100 today.
Oh, yeah. So it's down a couple thousand. It peaked, around 5,500 or something like that?
Popped over 50.
Popped over? Yeah.
Yeah, just over. Hit a little bit of a point or resistance point, and people thought it was time to sell, I guess.
So there was something... I saw a headline come across. Is it El Salvador that is allowing Bitcoin for legal transactions, and they've got a bunch of Bitcoin ATM things that they're doing?
I have not heard that.
Oh, let me look for a second. Well, go ahead and talk for a minute. I forget who it was.
The real golden child crypto right now is Cardano. It's in the last month or 6 weeks, it's almost tripled.
Really?
From $1 to $277 right now. So in the last month, so 4 weeks ago, it hit a low of $1.19, and then it got up to $297. Pretty good.
Yeah. Well, I can't find the article on it, but I heard something about it. I forget who it was, but some company or some country somewhere was starting. Bitcoin was going to be an allowed currency of some sort. And they had all these ATM machines that they said would convert, whatever their cash currency was to Bitcoin and Bitcoin to cash. It would go back and forth and stuff. So yeah,
it's coming. The crypto
think
trend
it is too.
Is coming. It's no more funny money. It's still hard to understand, but it's going to be around.
Well, we talked about this earlier, but Starbucks would be the world's fourth largest bank if you just went on them preloading their cards and stuff. I mean, it's insane. And somebody saw that and said, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. That's the smartest thing we can do.
Right.
So yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, so good things. I think, I hope it's a good week. Hope it ends up. We're going to have some fun. We're going to buy some more stock tomorrow. We get to buy 2 of them, $30 worth. It's going to be awesome. The spreadsheet down below will be updated with, it is updated except for the electronic cells that went off today that I wasn't sure about. So I will get that updated when I can. And what else?
Check us out on Instagram. I posted a few things this past weekend.
Oh yeah, broken steps.
Not broken steps, pre-broken steps. Yeah, so a few before and afters of the rental and stuff. So check out some of that stuff and follow us on Twitter. Although I haven't been tweeting much, it's been a little hectic lately. But we'll get back into the
well, and I haven't known when our trades were going off, so I haven't been telling you about our trades either. So
yeah, it's all good.
Awesome. Well, everybody, thanks for joining us. Hope you have a great night. Whatever you do, don't trade like that guy.
Definitely don't trade like that guy.
See y'all.
Good night.